The best oils for the skin and the worst oils for the body, meaning these oils had to be in the same category, meaning they had to be the best oils when applied topically on the skin, and they had to have concrete evidence based on clinical studies that they showed that they were beneficial for the skin, but when ingested by the body, they weren't so great. So that's how I kind of did this evaluation. So to give you an example, jojoba oil is actually one of the best overall oils in most of the categories evaluated for the skin as far as application goes. However, it's not a widely used cooking oil in the United States. Now, the categories that were evaluated for the skin are skin barrier repair, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, skin aging, and fighting skin cancer. Hi, my name is Christy, and I have been treating clients for over 14 years now with over 26,000 different treatments, and especially in the areas of acne, hyperpigmentation, and anti-aging. And these three oils were selected due to the, it's used very commonly in skincare products, and it's actually very good for the skin when applied, but not so good if you ingest them. So the first one is sunflower oil, unless it's high oleic sunflower oil. Regular sunflower oil, when you see that, you're going to see that in so many different skincare products, and that is because of the amount of essential fatty acids that the skin needs. Especially, you're going to see them in heavier night creams and body butters, and because the dry, mature skin types are lacking some of these fatty acids. The next one is soybean oil. So soybean oil, you're going to see that most commonly known as glycine soja. And the reason why you see that in a lot of skincare products is because of its brightening effects. It inhibits tyrosinase, or tyrosinase, depending on how you say it. It is an enzyme or amino acid that inhibits pigmentation formation. So as the skin becomes older, you start to see more uneven skin tone or even melasma. It actually inhibits the pigmentation formation, and not only that, it actually reduces inflammation from UV light. Now, sesame oil, you will see this in a lot of skincare products as well. According to clinical studies, it has been shown that when directly applied topically on the skin, it has been shown to greatly reduce inflammation and pain when the body has limb trauma. It also protects the skin from UV light, and it contains an antioxidant ingredient called Sesame, which actually helps with fighting skin cancer. So start looking in some of your skincare products, and you will start to see these types of oils more often in your specific products, especially in the creams and brightening agents. If you found this information helpful, would appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up on this video, letting us know that these are the type of information that you're looking for. Okay, so you may be thinking, I don't use soybean or sesame or sunflower oil in my kitchen. No, but if you ever go out to eat anywhere, or you grab a snack on the go, or you eat any type of processed food whatsoever, these oils are very commonly used in them. So they're mostly used in restaurants, in basically commercially made food products. Now, I'm not saying that these oils, if you use these oils, these are bad for you per se. A lot of them do have a lot of antioxidants and tocopherol acetates, such as vitamin E, a lot of things that help and are beneficial for your health. But the thing is with these oils is they contain a higher amount of omega-6 fatty acids. And in the Western diet, and especially in America, where America eats a high amount of processed foods, we don't need any more additional omega-6s in our diet. Most of the soybeans that are grown in the US are considered GMOs, or genetically modified organisms. So when you just see on the label soybean oil, just assume that it is genetically modified. And when it is highly refined, it's higher in the trans fatty acids. And I know you're saying I don't cook with soybean oil, but the foods that you eat have a lot of soybean oil and a combination of the sunflower oil. And sunflower oil, if you're looking at your food labels, are showing up more and more in foods that you would not suspect. So for example, sunflower oil is now in a lot of the nut milks, such as almond milk, cashew milk, and even in coconut milk. It is also in a lot of the processed foods that you normally wouldn't think, such as pasta sauces, cookies, cakes, mayonnaise, pizza sauces, and even in stir-fry sauces. So those are higher in omega-6, which can be inflammatory to the body, and long-term inflammation can lead to a lot of inflammation-related diseases. You will even see a lot of salad dressings that most people assume is made with extra virgin olive oil. You will see that they are made with a combination of sunflower and or soybean oil. And part of it is because it's stable and it lasts longer and it's less expensive to make. So make sure if you buy commercially produced salad dressing to check the label to make sure that it does not have sunflower and or soybean oil. The last one is sesame oil. A lot of places will use sesame oil, especially if they want more of a nutty flavor. The toasted sesame oil is more popular in Asian cooking, and the healthier one to use for cooking, although it doesn't have as much intense nutty flavor, is and I have one right here, is the organic. Let's see if we can, the organic sesame oil. So this one is expeller pressed and it's unrefined. Okay, so you'll see that a lot of times also in skincare to be used topically, and that is because of the higher amount of omega-6 fatty acids. So when applied on the skin, it is better for dry, mature skin. So that's what you want to look for, but not necessarily for cooking with it. So if you have dry, mature skin and you're looking for some facial oils, then click on this video right here. And if you have oily skin, but not breakout prone skin, and you're still interested in using some facial oils, then click on this button right here. Because remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science.